Is your HP printer showing offline even though it's turned on and connected? Don't worry, this usually happens because of a communication issue, incorrect printer settings, or an outdated driver. In this video, I'll show you some simple and effective ways to bring your HP printer back online on both Windows and Mac. Welcome to Print Smart Help. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen. Windows. Method 1. Turn off Use Printer Offline. Click the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type Control Panel. Open it when it appears. In Control Panel, click Hardware and Sound, then select Devices and Printers. Next, click Printers and Scanners to view all available printers. Find your HP printer and click on it. Scroll down and select More Devices and Printer Settings. Your printer will appear again in a new window. Right-click on your HP printer and choose See What's Printing. When the Print Queue window opens, click Printer at the top. Now check if Use Printer Offline is selected. If it is, click it once to remove the check mark. Windows Method 2. Set HP printer as default. If the printer is still offline, let's make sure it's set as the default printer. Click the Start menu and search for Printers and Scanners. Open it and scroll down to Let Windows manage my default printer. Turn this option off by unchecking the box. Now scroll back up and select your HP printer from the list. Click Manage, then click Set as Default. Your HP printer is now set as the default printing device. Mac Method 1. Remove and re-add the printer. Click the Apple menu and select System Preferences. Open Printers and Scanners. Select your HP printer from the list and click the minus button to remove it. When the confirmation message appears, click Reset. After the printer system reset is complete, click the plus button and add your printer again. Mac Method 2. Check for printer software updates. If the issue continues, let's check for updates. Click the Apple menu and open System Preferences. This time, click Software Update instead of Printers and Scanners. If you see an update available for your printer, click Update Now and allow the installation to finish. Once the update is complete, check if your printer is back online. That's it! One of these methods should help bring your HP printer back online and ready to print again. Like the video and subscribe for more printer fixes. If your printer is still showing errors after trying all the methods, call the helpline number shown on the screen for further assistance.